Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Debian 12.2 Bookworm on VirtualBox 7.0 with guest editions. So before proceed to install, make sure that you have installed latest version of VirtualBox. Okay, so this is my version of VirtualBox I'm using, so which is the latest version as of now. Okay, so make sure that you are inside the latest version of VirtualBox. Now I am going to create one new Debian 12.2 virtual machine. So I am giving one name to virtual machine. Next I am giving the directory path where I am going to store the virtual machine. Next I am going to browse the Debian 12.2 DVD ISO file which I already downloaded from Debian website. Okay, next I am going to allocate 8 GB RAM with 4 CPU cores. Next I am going to allocate 40 GB virtual hard disk, dynamically allocated hard disk of 40 GB size. So once again go to settings, system, motherboard, uncheck floppy. Make sure that you selected USB tablet as pointing device. Okay, so an optical drive will be the first device in boot order. So network will be as it is. Okay, let us start the okay. Now you can see that the boot menu has arrived. So graphical install, I am selecting graphical install. So here you can see that installation screen has arrived. Okay, so English will be the default language. Okay, okay, provide the computer name, okay, host name. So I am giving name as Bookworm. Skipping. Next, provide the root password. Next I am giving the username, that is login username is going to use this computer. So I am giving the password for that login user. So select your clock accordingly. Okay, here guided use entire disk, continue. So all files in one partition, continue. Finish partitioning and write changes to disk, continue. Okay, click yes, select yes, yeah, write changes to disk, yes, okay, continue. Okay, now installation in progress. Okay, installation, basic installation is completed. Now I am not going to scan any media. So here I am not going to select any network mirror. So I am going to do offline installation only. Okay, note this point. Okay, so now you can see okay, So I am selecting Genome Desktop with standard system utilities. Okay, continue. Okay, so installation is completed. So grub bootloader is getting installed. So yes, enter the device manual, select the hard disk name. Yes, so everything is completed. That's it. Let us reboot the machine. So after rebooting, I have resized the screen. Now what I am going to do is login as a root user in terminal, apt install, okay, build essential, space dkms space linux headers. Okay, so what this command will do is, this command will search the packages in DVD ISO file. Okay, so it will not download from internet because I have not yet added the repository. So it will search the binaries in DVD. Okay, see here, it's searching the binary in DVD1. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to insert Debian DVD binary 1. Okay, so this first DVD I am going to insert. Okay, so it's offline installation only, so no need to connect to internet. So once again I am inserting the DVD ISO file, that is DVD binary 1, DVD number 1 otherwise. Okay, so after inserting, check whether DVD is available. Yes, DVD is available. Now press enter. So you can see that all these binaries are copied from DVD and installed automatically. Okay, yes. So these dependencies are needed by VirtualBox Guest Edition software. Okay, so all the dependencies are available in binary DVD, that is Debian DVD1 itself. Okay, so I am ejecting the DVD. Now I am going to insert the VirtualBox Guest Edition CD image. Okay, now I am going to copy this content. Now I am going to copy this content, create one directory, paste it. Okay, from the local directory I am going to install the Guest Edition software. Okay, open the terminal, give full permission. Okay, so I am going to give full permission to the Guest Edition software, so then only you can execute the scripts. Okay, okay, so make sure that you are executing the script as a root user. Okay, I am going to log in as a root user, then execute the script once again. /bbox linux edition start run. Yes, so VirtualBox Guest Edition is installed successfully without any issues. Now what I am going to do, I am going to power off the machine. Now come back to VirtualBox settings. General advanced, I am going to enable share clipboard and drag and drop bidirectional. Next go to system, boot order I am changing to hard disk as a first device. Next come to shared folders. Shared folders I am going to add Windows folder. I am going to share the Windows folder, that is Windows source machines folder, to check whether shared folder is working or not. Auto mode, check auto mode. Okay. So now start. Okay, after starting, what I am going to do, I am going to execute some commands in terminal. After executing this command, I am going to copy paste the terminal output to the Windows host notepad, okay, to check whether shared clipboard feature is working or not. Okay, so now I am going to check whether shared clipboard is working or not. So I am going to copy this terminal output to Windows host machine notepad. Yes, I can able to copy paste. Now let me check from Windows host machine to Debian 12.2 virtual machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So shared clipboard feature is working. Now I am going to check shared folder feature, that is, instead of doing drag and drop, I am going to check whether shared folder is working or not. Shared folder is easier than drag and drop. Okay, so I am checking the shared folder feature. So open in terminal. So login as a root user. Only root user can access the shared folders from Windows machine. Okay, CD/media. You can see that shared folder is mounted in CD/media. Yes, I can able to access the shared folders. So you can either copy paste from shared folder, or you can copy paste to share folder. Okay, so both you can do. So instead of doing drag and drop directly, you can add the shared folder like this, and you can access the content. Okay, so Debian 12.2 installation on VirtualBox 7.0 with guest edition is successful.